Okay, students, I'm hoping now this will be the last video. In the last video, we talked about giving examples of the different features of an epic poem so that you understand what makes an epic. And they give you several criteria and you had to find examples. So now we're on the next page, which is also you're being basically practicing what you learn in books 1, 6, 22, and 24, which is this idea of evaluating characters as a reading standard, but also understanding we're continuing our practice of epic heroes. So I'm just going to read the directions really quick. Epic heroes are larger-than-life figures whose actions are central to an epic poem. They take part in dangerous adventures that are often historical or cultural, of cultural importance. Epic heroes demonstrate great courage and extraordinary strength, mainly are assisted by supernatural forces like the gods, for instance. Use a chart below to compare Achilles and Hector as epic heroes. Identify the qualities that these characters share and the qualities that set them apart. So basically what we're doing here is take this as a modified Venn diagram, which is a type of graphic organizer or chart. And one on the very left-hand column, we have, you're supposed to type here the Hector's qualities that make him very different from Achilles. So just write the qualities that he doesn't share with him. Okay, so I would just put bullets. You can put bullets all the way down. You should at least have, I would say, 3 to 4 here, bullets. And you don't have to write them in complete sentences. You could put bullets, so that's fine. In the middle column, you have, well, let's go all the way to the right-hand column. You do the same thing for Achilles that you did over here, except you write the traits or qualities that set Achilles apart from Hector, that Hector and Achilles do not have in common. And again, we're looking at 3 to 4 bullets here, and you just have to do phrases. You don't have to write in complete sentences. Remember, this is just a chart. And in the middle column, you're gonna write again bullets, descriptive phrases, or just notes on the qualities that they share, that they both have in common. And again, we're looking for here another 3 to 4 similarities. Okay, they don't have to be again a complete sentence, just items that you notice, that qualities that they share, that they have in common. So over here, Hector's qualities that he doesn't share with Achilles. Way on the right side, we have the qualities that Achilles has that he doesn't share with Hector. In the middle, we have the qualities that they share. The things that they have in common could be about the personality, about the events that happen, whatever they have in common, you write it down. Okay, that's how that works. Moving on, now we get into the very last page, which is the vocabulary skill builder, words to know skill builder they call it, and you have your words up here. Okay, this is basically like your word bank, something that you will not have on the test, but here you do. So what you have you have to do all the exercise. It looks like here we have A, B, and C. So you have 3 things that you have to do here. I told you guys last week, if you did it in class, for some of you, to always do this first just to get out of the way, and it gives you practice. So here, for exercise A, decide which word from the list above is described by each clue. Write the word in the box below each clue. So what you do is the word, I'm going to do the first one for you. This word is a verb that means to reject in a scornful way. Its origin can be traced back to the Old English verb that means to kick or to strike. So here we have basically this word obviously is spurn. Okay, I recognize it from the dictionary definition, so I would type spurn in here. And you just go that way all the way down. If you're not sure what they are, go ahead and use your vocabulary words, your charts if you did them, or your vocabulary, I could say vocabulary cards, or Quizlet. Okay, I'm trying to hurry up because this is almost going to finish. Type the word on exercise B. Type the word from each group that has the same meaning or similar meaning as a bold-faced word in the box below each group. So basically, you have the main word in bold-faced, and all you have to do is find basically the word that means pretty much the same, and you write that one from muscular, gray, thin, and round for gaunt, and then you pick one, which in this case I believe is thin. Right, so I just gave you that one for you. Again, we ran out of time. We're going to continue. I think we might have time. Type in a brief summary described in the box. I'm just going to stop it. Last video.